Day 7, I just brought her upstairs to my room and made sure it's safe for her to fly around it, and I removed whatever she could bump into, and I made sure I covered the mirror because she might fly into the mirror and bang her head, or she might fly into the windows and bang her head. So I made sure the room is safe, and I'm gonna open the door and see if she wants to come out. There you go. The door is open. Do you wanna come out? Wanna come out? Yeah? Wanna come out? I removed the food in case she bumps into them or something. I should have removed the perches as well because she was flapping her wings when I was taking her or moving her cage. So, oh, oopsie. Yeah, birdie. You wanna come out? Yes? Do you wanna come out now? Yeah, the door is open. Yes, the door is open. The door is open. You can come out. The door is open, birdie. The door is open. Yes, you can come out. See? See? Yes, yes. Oh, no? Yeah, check the door. It's open. Check the door. The door is open. See? Yes, yes, you can come out. Yes, yes. Uh-oh. The door is open. Yeah, check the door. You don't know the way out? Yes, this is the way out. This is the way out, yes. The way out. The way out, girlie. The way out. Here's the way out. Yeah, yep. Oops. I'll keep an eye on you. Birdie. Birdie. Birdie, the door, yes, yes. Oh, she doesn't know the door is open. She doesn't know, maybe she doesn't know what to do, how to act. She's confused and excited. I'll just pause for now and see how long she will take. Okay, let's see. Oh, she's not coming out now. I'll just leave her alone for a bit.